Testing.
What we're here doing is testing the strength of our 3 different connection types. Endless ratchet strap, binder lash, all thread, washer, bolt. That will pull up to 10,000 pounds. So let's see how it does. It stops on these I-beams down below. We're going to be exerting all of our energy that way. And we just want to know when that intersection moves.
Ratchet strap.
1,300.
Ratchet strap.
1,325.
Binder lash.
1,300.
All thread.
1,300. 15. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is.